Cruel employers tie their maid to a tree as a punishment for several hours. Saudi Arabia is one of the world's most conservative countries. Just last year, for example, women gained the right to drive vehicles for the first time in the country's history. According to the World Economic Forum, Saudi Arabia ranked 141st out of 144 contending countries in terms of gender inequality as part of its 2016 Global Gender Gap Report. In other words, women have it worse in Saudi Arabia than all countries on planet Earth except for 3 others. Another right that Saudi Arabian women recently gained was the right to vote in elections, something that King Abdullah wrote into Saudi Arabian law books in 2011. King Abdullah also made it possible for female residents of the country to be elected to the Consultative Assembly, a panel of politicians who collectively advise the monarchy on what directions to take in governance and regulation. To put it simply, Saudi Arabian men get away with a lot of bad deeds carried out against their female counterparts. Take, for example, the following case. Lovely Acosta Borello, a 26-year-old Filipino worker who was living in Saudi Arabia earlier this year to be open to greater economic opportunities than she had back at home in the Philippines. Just last week, a pair of pictures featuring Borello tied to a tree made the rounds on social media platforms around the globe. According to the story, she had made her employers mad. The employers, who were part of one of the most wealthy families in Riyadh, the capital of Saudi Arabia, tied her to a tree after she left an expensive table out in the hot summer sunlight for several hours. One of Borello's co-workers, who had also worked for the aforementioned family, shared on social media that the wealthy family members would physically harm Borello and herself for not performing up to par. Check out these other videos from Let Me Know. If you haven't made the move to subscribe to our channel, all you need to do is click on that red subscribe button. Thank you for watching.